Here come Rock. Omni Man's up there eating already over here, all black. Rock just ran. Ichigo is the multicolor. Rock got him some letters over there. Ichigo got him a fresh piece. Omni Man still knocking his out. I guess he said that's enough of that. On to a big piece. Everybody eating some greens. They got some strawberries. They got some blueberries, some greens for today. We're gonna re up their hay box. This is another one up here. Water bottle, little hidey house ramp. Another water bottle. Gotta change out their dry food later. They be alright. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. All this food right here, and he about to just take it from them. They some bullies. All this food, and they trying to eat that one little piece right there. Yeah. Yeah, come around, big dog. They gonna pull it through the bar. There's a bar right there. He's gonna pull it through the bar. Ichigo gonna help him. Alright, guys. Well, I'm gonna let them finish eating. Thank you guys for stopping by.